The birthday list begins with Pruitt Calvin Lauk, decked out in the Carhartt gear as he celebrates the big number one. Pruitt Calvin, a special birthday wish from Grandma Jenny, Grandpa Dale, Aunt Emma, and Uncle Nathan.
Right. Harlan Spainhoward turning 3 years old this year. Look at that smile. What a cutie there. Harlan is in Bronson, Kansas.
Look at that bow, too. Love that. Rosalind Skaggs, she is celebrating her 3rd birthday. Is that a crown?
Yeah,
Tiara?
little princess crown.
Little tiara. Happy birthday, Miss Rosalind. She's in Iola.
I want to call it a unicorn crown because her shirt says Daddy's Little Unicorn.
I like it.
I like that. Happy birthday, Rosalind. And happy birthday going out to Maddie Jo Westerhold, who's now 4 years old. Looking cute there in the plaid. In Sheldon, Missouri, with love from Nene, Annie, Mom, Dad, Papa, and Nia.
Landon Birkinshay celebrating his 10th birthday and reminding us that eventually there will be warmer temperatures in which to dip our toe in the pool. He is now 10 years old. Landon, welcome to double digits, my friend. He's in Joplin.
You see in the background of that picture, that also reminds you of what happens when we get the warmer temps.
Yeah, I know.
The lawnmower.
Yes, that is, I know. I so miss it.
You miss it, okay. Well,
I miss mowing lawns. I love mowing lawns.
yeah. It's good exercise if you're walking. All right, our birthday list goes on with Heidi Kane. Something else that's fun to do when it's warm out. Riding horses. Heidi is in Richards, Missouri. Her birthday was actually yesterday.
Look who's a teenager. Brooklyn Lochmiller, now 13 years old. She's a 7th grader at Pittsburgh Community Middle School. So I want everybody that sees Miss Brooklyn today to wish her a happy 13th birthday.
All right, Malia Ludwig celebrating birthday number 14. Of course, if Malia is celebrating, then so is Alexia. The Ludwig twins in Parsons. Birthday wishes coming from Nanny and Papa.
Out to Joplin, Kyler Dreiling, getting ready for a little Sunday action for some Chiefs football. And Kyler, may you get your birthday wish. I'm sure one of those would be a Chiefs win. Happy birthday in Joplin.
All right, Jessica DeWitt. Happy birthday from Mom, Clint, and Rowan, turning 27 years old this year.
Chastity Ashworth is celebrating her 31st birthday. Chastity, birthday wishes come from love from Mom and from Scott.
All right. Ann Keller celebrating birthday number 39 this year in McCune. Love, Dad. Happy birthday, Ann.
And we've got Mr. Mike Shapel celebrating his 52nd birthday. Mike, have a great day. He is in Fort Scott.
All right, in Pittsburgh, Cheryl Harvey celebrating a year. What a great picture.
Miss Cheryl, miss you. Lots of love from the Hayslip family. Ron Trim, he has a birthday. Mr. Trim is in Thayer, so we may have a trip to Big Ed's.
All right.
That just may be in store for a birthday supper.
Sounds like a plan.
Happy birthday, Ron.
All right, our list goes on. In Crestline, Randy Alsup turns 64 years old.
Happy birthday, Mr. Alsup.
And RJ Schmidt, birthday was yesterday. Mom wanted to make sure you get extra special birthday love over the weekend as well.
And a happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this January the 28th. Perhaps you're celebrating on the 29th as well. That's where you can send them into birthdays at koamtv.com. You can also go to our website, koamnewsnow.com. Speaking of our website, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. Once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses and be eligible for prizes. Go to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Now, we've talked about a number of shortages related to